This is page 222, some review problems on distributing and finding unknowns, intermediate algebra, college math class. This is distributing because it's junk plus junk, and then outside is one term. It's got three factors, but I'm going to do this in colors. I'm going to take this whole thing times both of these, and I like doing this. So the first term is negative 2x a minus 2 y to the y plus 1 times 6x to the a plus 2. The second term, plus minus, I'm just going to write minus 2x a negative 2 y to the y plus 1. And then the other term was y to the b plus 2. You have to remember, and you're probably good at this, x7, x3 it is, x10. The reason that becomes that is you add it. So when you look here on these x's, we'll take care of the coefficients first. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. But then I'm not going to try to do it in one step. I'm going to go a minus 2 plus a. So I'll go a minus 2 plus a plus 2, y to the y plus 1. Over here, just a negative 2. And I have my x, so I'll just write x to the a minus 2. But my y, again, I'm going to add the exponents, so it's y plus 1 plus b plus 2. And I can simplify these exponents. There's like terms, so I'll do that. And I'll get the answer, negative 12x to the 2a, y to the y plus 1, minus 2x to the a minus 2, y to the y plus b plus 3. The next problem says f of x equals mx plus b, and it gives 2 points. Because f of 5 equals negative 3 and f of negative 4 equals 2. It's imperative that we recognize that these points are xy's. When x is 5, y is negative 3. So over here, the red equation can be this. Negative 3 equals 5m plus b. The other point says, hey, when x is negative 4, y is 2. So you can write that. 2 equals negative 4m plus b. Well, 2 equations, 2 unknowns. Let's just do some elimination. And I see the b's already have the same power, so I'll just change these powers. And it is an ugly answer for the slope. When you add these up, I get negative 5 equals 9m. So the slope of the line is negative 5/9. So now I can just put that in to one of the two. I'll do it with the top one. So I get negative 3 equals 5 times negative 5/9 plus b. This is where a calculator is kind of nice. I don't have one at the moment. So negative 3, I think of negative 9/3. So I'll add 25/9 to both sides. If it was 10, it'd be 15, so it's got to be positive 16/9 for b. So now you know the slope, you know the y-intercept. It's asking for the equation line. So for number 34, and I'm going to get a little room here, f of x is negative 5/9 x plus 16/9. And if you want to check it, since we use this point to find the thing, we can use our other point to check it. If you plug that in, negative 4 times negative 5 is 20. Oh, did I make a mistake? 20 plus... I'm trying to see if I made a math mistake someplace. So if I plug in x is negative 4, I get 20/9 plus 16/9 is 36/9, which gives me 4. I'm supposed to get 2, so something's not right here. I made a mistake. Not sure where I made it. So I'm going to pause the video here and try to figure it out. Alright, I got a math mistake, everybody, right here. This is a 9, this is a 3. I have to get to a common denominator of 9. So negative 3 times 9 is negative 27/9. When you add those, you'll get negative 2/9. And now, if you check it with your other point, it will work. So the equation is negative 5/9 x minus 2/9. I was just in too much of a hurry, but again, good example of me screwing up right here. All right, something to watch for. You got to have a common denominator to add, especially if you're not using a calculator. Keep practicing. I'll put these back to back.